Right, now we're moving on to question number 8. So 8a, it says here in the question that 5 teams took part in a competition in which each team played each of the other 4 teams. The following table represents the results after all matches has been played. Now points in the competitions were awarded to the teams as follow: 4 for each match won, 2 for each match drawn, and 0 for each match lost. Part 1. We're going to write down two matrices whose product under matrix multiplication will give the total number of points awarded to each team. Okay, in this one, we know that 4 points, we'll get 4 points for winning, 2 points for drawing, no points for losing. Then for each team, you will have, for example, team A is going to have 2 wins, 1 draw, and 1 loss. So if you want to find the total points that each team has, so 4 times 2 plus 2 times 1 plus 0 times 1, okay, then you copy the rest. So 1 3 0, 1 1 2, 0 1 3, and then 3 0 1. Okay, so this is your final answer. So now in part 2, you want to evaluate the matrix product from the part 1 and hence state which team was awarded the most points. Okay, so in this case, what we're going to do is we need to find the points for each team. Okay, so that's going to be, first we have team A. Team A is going to be 4 times 2, so that's 8 plus 2 and then plus 0, which is equals to 10. Team B is going to be 4 plus 6, which is equals to 10 also. C is going to be 4 plus 2, which is equals to 6. D is going to be equals to 0 plus 2, which is just 2. And then finally E, we have 12 plus 0, which is equals to 12. And therefore, team E has the most points. Okay? Now, moving on to the next question, we'll go to part B. So in part B, we are given A, which is 1, negative 1, 2, and 4. And then B is 5, 0, 1, negative 2. So first, we want to find the inverse of A. So to find inverse of A, we need to find the determinant of A first. So determinant of A is going to be 1 times 4, that's 4, minus 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2, which will give you 6. And therefore, inverse of A is going to be equals to 1 over 6, bracket, you switch the 1 and 4, so that's 4, 1, multiply 2 and negative 1 by negative 1, so that's 1 and negative 2. And that's your A inverse. Then moving on to the last part, we want to find the matrix C. The matrix C in such that AC is equals to B, so C is equals to inverse of A to B. So you already found inverse of A, which is 1 over 6, bracket, 4, 1, negative 2, 1, close bracket, and then B is 5, 0, 1, negative 2. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm just going to multiply the ones between these two matrices. I'm keeping the 1 over 6 outside. So we'll have 4 times 5, so that's 20 plus 1, 0 minus 2, and then negative 10 plus 1, and then 0 minus 2. So we'll have 1 over 6, 21, negative 2, negative 9, and negative 2. And that is your final answer.